Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you that how can you remove your facial hair at the comfort of your home by just using a simple product, which is Veet ready to use instant waxing kit. This is very easy to use. You just need to apply some talcum powder, apply it all over your face. Cut your waxing strips into two so that it is easy to use and you do not waste the excess product. I have cut it into two. Now rub it in between your palms and then separate it. Keep the one aside to use it later. Now start from the corners of your face and then you can push into the opposite direction of your hair growth. See, the hairs have come out, the hair have come out. Repeat the same thing to all over your face, and if you feel a bit sticky you can apply some powder on the top of it so that your hands goes on smoothly. This is actually very easy and very simple to use. You can do this yourself and it has no side effects, as I am now using it for a good long time. Earlier I used to use that hot wax on my face, but after that I got some acne problem, so I stopped using it, and then later on I came across to this very nice product. You can easily do your forehead and your upper lips, your chin, your nose as well with this. It is just a bit sticky, but you get a tissue with it which is fully loaded with some oils which will help to get you rid of the stickiness. This is so simple. You can easily clean your face, your upper lips. Even it does not causes pain, like very less than that thread. I am using this before my bath. After this I'll go and take my bath. Doing the same on my chin area. You can actually already see the difference when the hair are coming out. I've repeated this on the other side of my face. Now my chin and the nose area are remaining. Now I'm taking the other remaining step. This is the portion I have maximum hair. So I focus much on this chin and the neck area. Now the nose. Actually my forehead was cleaned, so I did not use this strip on my forehead, but someday I will show you that as well. In just one or two pulls you can get rid of your hair from the nose. Now I am using that tissue. I will not use that complete tissue because I need it for the other use as well. for the next time I use this strip. So I'm cutting this tissue into two. I will keep the leftover tissue aside for the next time use. Now gently rub your face. Gently, not harshly. Gently, apply the tissue all over your face so that the stickiness goes off. It is very oily tissue. It removes all the stickiness. Now give a good 20 to 30 seconds massage on your face after you have used this tissue all over your face, all over the area where you have used this. Now you can go and wash your face with a clean water. Dab your face and then you can apply some good moisturizer, or you can even do icing on your face.